Good morning to all of you. Good morning. Very good morning to all of you. Yeah, good morning, good morning. So can you hear me and see me clearly? Let me know, then I will start. Yes, very good morning. Can you hear me and see me clearly? Okay. So let's start. So I was doing the chapter from your Marigold book, that is First Day at School. Right? First day at school. First day at school. Okay. Right? And in your previous open page number 2, all of you. So all of you open page number 2, and your previous class, Devdeep, it might be your connection problem, because in my computer I can see myself, so I thought there is no problem. Okay, in my computer I can see myself. Okay, so in your previous class I have completed from the reading is fun part. There are 3 questions I have completed. I hope all of you have read all those 3 questions. Sushweta, from here it is no problem. Check your internet connection, then continue with the class. So, okay, so I hope all of you have done all the 3 questions. Now, I will continue with the other exercises from the let's talk part. Okay, so let's see what we can find in the let's talk part. Here, the first we can see, do you remember your first day? This question I am reading. Do you remember your first day at school? How did you feel? You can see 4 face expressions over here. You were angry, you were shy, you were happy, or you were sad. So, whatever your feeling was, you can tick that face. Okay, Mohian, you were shy. So, tick that shy face. And this answer will be according to you. Devdeep, you are happy, so tick the happy face. Okay, so whoever had felt the feeling, they can just tick those faces: angry, shy, happy, or sad. Okay. You were happy. Okay, Aniket, Mahfuzud. Then from here I cannot do about this. Okay. Sritama, please ma'am, forward, dear. Okay, so you will take whatever your feeling was. Okay, now come to the second one. When do you entered your class? What did you like? So when you entered your class, what did you like? This also will be according to you. The answer. All of you mute your microphones. Ayush Mullik. Yeah, so whenever you have entered the class for the first time, whatever you like, you will just write according to you. Okay, so these questions answers I am not writing, because the answer will be according to you. Okay. Okay, now the third question. Who was the first friend you made? This answer will be also according to you. Who was the first friend you made? This also will be according to you. The name of the first friend you will write. Your first friend you made. Okay. Shusweta, from here I cannot, while I am continuing with the class, I cannot do anything, dear. Okay, now turn to the page number 3. These 2 questions. these two questions? That first, third, this is the third question. What did you enjoy doing the most? This is also will be according to you. What did you enjoy doing the most? You can write it drawing or playing or reading, whatever your choice, you can write there. Okay. Now the next question. Do you have a pet at home who waits for you to come back from school? Do you have a pet at home who waits for you to come back from school? Do you have? Okay, Priyanshi, no. Okay, no. Priyanshi, your Didi waits. Okay. I have a parrot. Okay. So you can see from the let's talk part, these question answers, the answers will be according to you. So I have just discussed this. Okay. Now turn to the page number 5. Here, this page. You can see over here. Let's see what it is saying. Circle. Okay. Circle what you can carry in your school bag. Now write the names of your things in the box below. So you can see a bag. So and the other pictures of the things you need to carry to school in your school bag. Then write the names over here in these lines. Okay. So let's see. First, this is ruler. Do you carry ruler to school? Do you keep a ruler in your bag to carry to school? Yes or no? Yes. So ruler we carry. So circle the ruler and then write over here. Okay. No, generally, Rishabh, we used to carry a ruler, right? So then this is a sharpener. Do you carry a sharpener to school? Sharpener? Yes. So circle the sharpener and write that down. Then pen. Do you carry a pen to school? Yes. So circle the pen and write that down. Eraser. Then eraser. Do you carry? Okay, Priyanshi, I will check. All of you do that. Eraser, yes, we also carry an eraser. So circle that and write that. Then water bottle. Do you carry a water bottle? Yes. So circle the water bottle and write over here. Okay. Then spectacle. Spectacles we don't carry in our school bag. We used to wear that, right? So spectacles we don't carry. We used to wear that, right? Then tiffin. Tiffin do you carry? Yes. So circle that. Then pencil. We obviously carry a pencil, right? So this is also circle. You will circle. Yes. Good. Then pebbles. This one. Pebbles. Do we carry pebbles? No. Pebbles? Do you carry? Yes. No. We don't carry pebbles to school. So you don't need to circle it. Then toy. Toy. We also don't carry a toy, right? We should not also carry a toy to school. So this is also no. Then books. Books. Do we carry books? Yes. So definitely we come to school for reading and studying, right? So we need to carry books. So books you need to circle and then write that down. Then ice cream. Ice cream cone. Do we carry ice cream cone? No. So you don't need to write that. So what are the things we carry? Ruler, sharpener, pen, eraser, water bottle, tiffin, pencil, books. Okay. So these things we carry to school. Clear? Now come to the page number 6. Here. Page number 6 over here. Yeah, here you can see 6 pictures. Let's see what it is saying to do. What are the children doing? Choose the correct word from the ribbon, then fill in the blanks. Okay, so these 6 pictures we need to see what the children doing. Then we need to choose the correct word from this ribbon, yellow colored ribbon, correct option, and fill in the blank. Let's do this. First picture, dash breakfast. What it will be? Dash breakfast. Yes, eating. Yeah, eating breakfast. Very good, eating breakfast. Then dash a bicycle. Dash a bicycle. Riding. Very good, riding a bicycle. Good, riding a bicycle. Then dash to school. Dash to school. Can you tell me? Yes, going. Very good. Yes, Mohiyan, Rishabh. Good. Vikrant, right. Going. Yes, going to school. Very good. Going to school. Then dash with friends. Ayush, why are you taking snapshots? Concentrate over the class. Yes, this is sharing. It can be laughing also. Okay, so you can write sharing or laughing. Sharing will be most appropriate, but you can write laughing. So sharing also will be correct one, and laughing also. Okay. Then dash in class. This one. Dash in class. Yes, studying. Very good. So yes, and the other ones, studying in class. Very good. Then last one, dash from school. Dash from school. Yes, good. Returning. Returning from school. Very good. Returning from school. Right, all of you. Yeah. So this portion is also completed. Now come to page number 7. There you can see that this is, let's practice part. You can see dotted letters. So you need to join this dot with a pencil and write it beautifully. Okay. So I hope you have complete this at your home. So you will complete. Okay. Okay. Riding, eating, riding, going, sharing, turning. Okay, fine. Okay. Shivanita, the picture is not clear, dear. Okay, I can see all of you have done with this, and with this we have completed, we have discussed the whole chapter, and we have completed this chapter also. Okay, now, and from the next day I will start a grammar or a marigold chapter. Okay, this might be a grammar. Okay, so today is up to this. Now all of you give your present. Now give your present, all of you, and no one will leave. No one will leave, otherwise you will be absent. Anushka. Okay, students. Okay, I have taken all of you present. Aniket. Okay, I have taken you present and read the chapter very well at your home. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Bye.